We hit 1000K. I just want to make this short little video and thank you guys so much because we hit 1K, something that I've been trying to do for a while now. And ever since I started doing these ukulele tutorials and kind of leaning more to all the music and stuff that I want to do instead of getting distracted by all the other things, everything's kind of been going up, and it's thanks to you guys. So for this 1000 subscriber kind of celebration, I want to do something awesome for you guys, but I also have a few announcements before I'm going to ask you guys' help to figure out what we should do to celebrate the 1K. So, a couple things before we get to that. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok. I'm planning on doing lives on TikTok once we get to 1,000 followers on there, because you're not allowed to do lives until you get 1,000. But once we get that, I'm gonna do live covers, live tutorials, live Q&As, and anything you guys want on TikTok. If you guys want lives on YouTube also, I can try and do that. You guys just let me know. But I'm also in the process of making my first album. As you know, I have a few songs on Spotify, but I'm actually trying to work together 8 to 10 songs and do my first album. And it's all gonna be acoustic sounding, singer-songwriter, obviously, on the ukuleles. So look forward to that this year. Once it gets further in, I'm writing songs now. Once it gets further in and I have an actual date, I will let you guys know when the album will be released. But yeah, so since we hit 1,000 subscribers, I want to do like an awesome thing. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think we should do. Should I do a travel size ukulele giveaway? Should I make some special like 1,000 subscriber merchandise? Should I let one of you guys help me write one of the songs that's gonna be in the album, or maybe feature in one of my songs in the album or something like that? But you guys just let me know what we should do to celebrate the 1,000 subscribers that we have now. And thank you so much for all the support and all the commenting and liking and subscribing that you guys do. But make sure you guys go and follow my TikTok and Instagram. That'll help a lot, boosting everything up. And make sure you share these videos with your friends and help the channel to keep growing, because as I grow, you guys grow, and the channel grows, and everything's gonna be freaking awesome. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. And I think this week's video tutorial is gonna be I Won't Let You Go by Boy with Uke. It's either that one or one of his other ones. You guys keep requesting them and it's awesome. So I'll check the list and see what order I have them in. But yeah, thanks guys.
A creature with two heads, sleeping in two beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?